This deck guardrail is no good. In this video, we replace the old deck guardrail with a new deck guardrail. The posts are rotted, the fascia, I hate this detail, is infested, the pickets are dangling. I hope the framing underneath the fascia is intact. Using my Est-wing pry bar, I removed the old fascia. After a bath with the hose, the framing was in remarkably good shape. Even though the internet loves to hate my 3 power lag post to band joist connection, good luck taking that off of this deck without doing catastrophic damage in the meantime. Tip: miters and pressure-treated lumber open up as the wood dries out. They look good when you install them, but in 2 weeks, wide open. I use what I call a stepped joint. It might all move, but it all moves the same. A little router action tunes up the top cap. I love using my Bosch Colt for this. My customers like this wood-metal hybrid rail system I recommend. Made by Deck Pro, it looks good and takes a lot of the headache out of deck maintenance. The customer wanted fascia reapplied. I used 1x12 Acre boards from Modern Mill. The more we use Acre, the more we want to use Acre. I set them with 2-inch, number 8 SPAC screws. This little giant ladder is heavy because there's a lot of it. It definitely gets me where I need to go. I like 2 post corners. To stitch them together structurally and aesthetically, I use transition blocks between the posts. I use a product called PostProservative to prolong the service life of the posts made by Post Protector, or as we like to call it, Forever Juice. We'll link to that video in the description. From no good to good, this deck rail is redone.